Hi, my name is Murray Guy. I'm the owner of Integrated Designs, a project management and commissioning company that specializes in high performance buildings. Today I'm going to talk to you about the integrated design process and more specifically a high performance building program that was implemented at Innovation Place Research Park between 1997 and 2004. I went to work for Doug Tastad when I graduated with my MBA and a business plan in hand, and my first day on the job, my job description was make me money, not build me green buildings. But being an advocate and eager to implement integrated design process that I'd been reading about, I felt that they were one of the same thing. So my challenge at when nobody changes your budget is to be able to do the trade-offs between the building systems in order to achieve higher performance for the same additional capital cost of a project, as well as lowering the energy costs or operating costs, and while maintaining the project capital real estate value. And they also had a requirement that all their facilities needed to be flexible. So the project I'm going to talk about is 421 Downey Road, which was one of our first fully integrated designs that achieved, I would say, about 45% better than the Model National Energy Code. A simple approach to is why the reason I call it a simple approach is it's nothing more simple than just having proper good design, orientating your building properly to reduce the load so you can have smaller, simpler systems. So a key part of that process is to design a really good building envelope, because especially in Saskatchewan we have very warm summers and very cold winters. So a double challenge in order to get the size of those systems down. So we need to have triple glazed windows, good insulation to minimize the heating loads, as well as to do all of the proper shading devices or planting trees in order to reduce the cooling loads, because they are significant as well. So we take a lot of care in having good insulation, a tightly sealed envelope. We basically have air tightness tests and thermography to make sure that we are completely sealed buildings, the proper shading, and triple glazed windows and spectrally selective glass to just ensure that we allow the light in but not all of the solar heat gain. Once we take care of the loads, we're then able to design smaller, simpler systems. And so in our climate, we've gone with 100% outside air with heat recovery with enthalpy wheels and at 1.5 air changes, as opposed to VAV systems which require 6 air changes, so significantly smaller air systems. And then we maintain temperature control by using radiant heating and cooling panels. And where we get a significant cost savings there is by having very large zones. Radiant panels are great because they have the inherent capability to keep you comfortable. And so rather than everybody having all the complexity of a thermostat for every 3 offices, we'll have large zones where 25 people are being kept comfortable. It's an amazing and a key point to getting a good integrated design for no additional capital cost. We also recover heat wherever we can, and we ensure that the lower ventilation rates are delivered effectively to the space. And we use a ceiling-based displacement ventilation system. And we need to have efficient production of heating and cooling in order to keep our energy costs lower. Another key part of delivering a high-performance building is nothing like having a good design if it is not operating properly. So with the new generations of buildings, we do need to commission all of the building systems and take good care to achieve our energy model results. So these are all 4 building projects which helped in Innovation Place reduce their energy use from 2,580 megajoules to 2,150 megajoules per square meter. They are currently saving about $500,000 per year in energy costs, so it has been a very successful program. So thank you for listening to a simple approach for high performance buildings, and if you need additional information you can visit our website at www.i-designs.ca. Have a great day. Thank you.